Hi everyone, welcome to SAS Programming in today's. Welcome day 35. So we continue with the SAS VIYA session. So in the last session we have done the SAS flow in the SAS Studio. So we continue with the SAS flow. So in the last session we have done how to code we will convert into the flow. Okay, now in this session we will see how to create a flow. Okay, so working with the data in a flow. So table nodes are used to reference the SAS data sets in a SAS libraries. You can use a table nodes as input output operation nodes. The types of nodes that you can add to a flow are listed in the step sections of navigation span. Okay, now you can see here we have these all nodes that are available in the flow. Okay, so let's see in the SAS Studio. This is my SAS VIYA. So we are in the SAS Studio, developer SAS code. Now I click on the build a flow. So if you click on the build flow, and also you can click on the steps. Now you can see here we have these steps. Now we can use these steps into flow. Okay, so for what is a export, what is a file, what is a import, so all these left steps are definitions I given here. Okay, first is what is export data to external file. Okay, next is file is a reference and existing external files. Import converts an external file to a SAS datasets. Table and reference a SAS datasets from a SAS libraries. SAS program enable you to write a new SAS program or open or saved a program or snippets. A queries to extracts data from one or more tables according to the condition that you specify. Then sort enable you to order your data by the value of one or more columns. Okay, so let's see how to create a flow in the SAS Studio. So first of all we need to select a data. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going into the libraries and I'm going into the SAS help. Then I'm selecting the data. Let's suppose I'm selecting the okay, I'm selecting the class. Okay, so I drop it, I pick it, and I'm dropping here. Okay, now you can see here we have the class data set from the SAS help. Okay, now I'm going back into the steps. Okay, now you can see here we have the class here. Now if you right click and then you click on the add query, now you can add a query if you want. Let's suppose I'm adding as a filter. First of all I'm adding a filter. Okay, so I click on the you can also drop from the here from transform, and you can from here also we have the option. Okay, so filter a rows. Okay, else you need to click here, then add a query. Okay, so let's suppose I added a query. So what query you are looking for? Let's suppose okay, let me up this. Okay, so we have this query tab. Now you can see if I will maximize it. Okay, I maximize it. Now you can see here we have the operations and the nodes. So I click on the operations. Now we have here we have a data set that is named as a T1. If you have the multiple data set, if you select the multiple data set, then they will be show T1, T2, T3, then your data set. Okay, so let's suppose I want a filter. Okay, I want a join. We don't have the right now the another data, so that's the reason I'm not joining. If you want to sort your data set, let's suppose I want the sort with the age, so I'm dragging here. Okay, so I drag it age here. I want as a descending. Okay, so that will be descending order. By default the data is ascending, so I'm click on the descending. Okay, so my table has a descending here. Okay, now if you want a filter, you can put a filter also. Okay, if let's suppose I'm filtering the gender, so I'm looking for only for the male M, then okay, so I put it the filter. Let's suppose if you want two or more two variables, two rows, okay, now you can put here operator also, and or you can use this and or. Let's suppose you want two field. If the gender is male, then height will be this, then give me the output. Okay, if you not, so I don't want the another condition. Okay, so sort is done, age is done. Okay, now click on the output options. Now you want to generate output with the proc sql. Okay, that is fine. Limit number of matching rows, if you want limit number of matching rows in in obs and the out obs. Okay, so that is available here, and now this is the done. Okay, so now I click on the run key. Okay, now they will be run. If they successfully not run, they giving the error. Okay, now let's see the what is the error here in the submission. Okay, now you can see here we have the log here also. Okay, so in the log we can find easily what is the particular error. And sorry, here we have the log. Okay, three errors in my code. Okay, so cell says help dot class t1. Okay, so it's giving this error. Okay, so let's see, because first of all my data is preview data, so I want as a gender as a male, and the female is here M and the F. Okay, let's see what is the error. So what is the problem? Problem is the first of all we need to in the select we need to select the table, all the table content what we are looking for. So in the output, so I didn't selected the this column, that's the reason it's showing the error. Now I given I selected these, I dragged the all the columns here. Okay, all the variables here. Now you can see here, so if I run this node flow, now they will be showing the exact output. Okay, so now we have the generated code here. Okay, so now if you click on the refresh, now they will be show the refresh code here. Okay, now this is the this is my code. I selected the table name. Okay, this. Okay, and where I put it the where statement, because I put it the query here, then I put it here. Okay, now we have the submission. Also in the submission, now you can see here we have the code log and the output data that is available. So I put it the M only. So now you can see here only the male data we have here, because I put it in the flow in the query. Now you can see here we have only the output of this data. Okay, and also the code is here. Now you can see here code is also available. Okay, now you can see here the this is how we are creating the flow in the SAS VIYA. So in the coming sessions, we will go more deep in these session, in the flow and the more in the SAS VIYA. Thank you.